Hey, would you look at this? The hood of red is open. So, as you can see, if you watch my short, red's back running, alternator's working right. It just needed completely rebuilt. Needed a new pulley, a new rotor, and new brushes in it for it to work right. Who'd have thought? Had it for like 7 years and goes out. Anyway, the red's running. Somebody wanted me to make a quick video of how I have everything wired. So here we go. We're gonna take a look at this. Over here, I have the ground wire, or one of the grounding blocks here, and my fans are here. Now inside this fan box, if you all have seen the other videos, this has its own fuse to it. Each one of these are fused. We have a ground. Back here on the head, there's a ground. Okay, over here we have this ground here. Another ground here on this head. From the main, it comes down here to this block here. And this block is mostly just my fans. And this is my alternator wire here, and then the battery cable comes up, the main cable, and this cable here comes over to this block and powers all the hot stuff here. Back in here I have this is the key hot block. Everything that's hot from the key is there. Let's see. Over here, that's my starter relay. Until I have it, I went with the solid state relay instead of the relay, the Mopar relay. But a relay is a relay. And back in there, I have another relay for the sniper system. And then behind the dash, where you can't see, I have a fuse for the dash itself. I don't think I put that on any of the videos, but anyway, there is a fuse back there for the dash, so if the dash goes kaput, the fuse should take it out before it fries everything. Excuse me. The next little upgrade I'm going to do to the truck is right here at the battery terminal. Now, they sell a kit that plugs onto the battery, and it does two things. One, it has a large fuse in it to protect the whole vehicle, but also it has a low voltage sensor in it, so if the battery starts running down, it's gonna stop discharging the battery, so you can have one start on it. So I'm gonna get that here in the next couple weeks for that. So that's the wiring on red in a nutshell. On to No Name National stuff. I'm still looking at going to No Name Nationals on Wednesday in September. Betty is having some issues with the key switch, so I don't know if I'll be bringing Betty or not. I gotta try and figure out how to wire that up so it'll start. Then tomorrow, or no, not tomorrow, but Sunday, Black Betty comes back. So I might actually bring back Black Betty to No Name. And I'll do a video whenever I get Black Betty about going and getting her and bringing her home. So that'll be in the next couple days. But that's all I have today, guys. Take it easy and go out there and get after it.